Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your assets and creating the project. Import images, video, or an HTML folder. Use your target resolution to avoid scaling artifacts. Once done, open Wallpaper Engine, enable Developer Mode, and click New Project. Select 2D, 3D, or Web depending on content. Make sure to name the project clearly and set the canvas resolution. This gets you into the editor immediately and prevents wasted rework later when assembling layers and effects. You now build the scene by adding and arranging layers. Drag background, foreground, particle, and interactive layers into the timeline. Adjust blend modes in order to control visibility. Then apply effects like blur or color grading to polish mood and set parallax values for depth. Configure playback, loop, start time, and performance quality to balance visuals and CPU/GPU load. Make sure to assign mouse interactions or audio reactive behaviors where needed so the wallpaper responds correctly to user input. Finalize by exporting and validating your wallpaper. Export to Workshop or create a local package, ensuring all referenced files are bundled and you have a thumbnail and description. Next, test at different resolutions and performance presets, including multi-monitor setups, and iterate on quality sliders. If something goes wrong, check for missing asset paths or heavy effects. A quick fix is to relink files in the project and reduce particle counts or texture sizes to cut CPU/GPU use. Then retest and publish when stable.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.